Just a quick one on the opposite of the other one I did on the bad packing job. This is a bird Wattmeter, digital Wattmeter, in the original bird case with some bird slugs. I bought it for the slugs. Sometimes the old bird digital Wattmeters don't even work, but you know, they got a dual line section. But anyway, getting off track. This is the way you pack. You know, even though it's single box, lots of bubble wrap, you know, packed in there like a big old pillow, you know, nice and safe and sound. So, you know, that's the grand opening of my digital bird Wattmeter. I guess you can see the case through there. You know, I'm gonna have to get a knife and cut the bubble wrap off, but that's how you pack. Even though this thing isn't delicate and it's in the case, which protects it too, but that's the way you pack something. All right, that's it for this one. Bye.